Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase image resolution on CapCut web version. So in order to do that, please open CapCut.com on your web browser, then try to sign in with your account if you don't have or if this is your first time, try to register your account. And after that, please open the CapCut, click start, and then try to search magic tools and try to find this for images. So here we go, there is a image upscaler, this one, increase image resolution without losing quality. And here you can drag and drop file here. Let's upload here, and you can select resolution. By default is 1080p. Let's try with the 4K. Click upscale and let the AI generate for you. Wait for the process. Now current resolution is changing, it's become a 4K. Now you can export or upload into your system. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.